gonna show up sooner than I can just be. To hold up the time, take a long, long ride on a motorbike. I'm gonna wait in the rain or love, wait in the rain or love. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. Now the rest of you.
Come on, people. We're Naples, Florida. This is Patriots. Are you ready for 3 more?
Love me too. You know I love you.
The Ed Sullivan Show back in February. We started off with this one, and it's called All My Lovin'. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you tomorrow.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you tomorrow. Love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love to 8 days a week. Take it easy,
So let's go home. Drop the curtain. Put some music down on the radio. Now come on, baby. All right, well. Thanks for coming out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, that's the first band. Give it up for the Rolling Stones. Start me up. We had these guys back in January, and they rocked Sugden Park. To make it a true British invasion, we brought them back. The Tamiami 4 Legends Concert Series and the Fallen Officers proudly presents Greggy and the Jets. received an American flag. At this time, please raise that American flag in the air. Be proud to be an American and honor all the men and women who died for our freedom tonight. With the help of Grammy Award-winning singer Lee Greenwood to sing God Bless the USA.
Thank you, Rosemary Zore, for all you do for our fallen heroes. If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away.
Lights up, guys, lights up.
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. To be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the so much, and God bless the United States of America.
Wave o'er the land.